The next question, MRSM paper 2. Question 5 is about form 4 chapter 2 quadratic function. Let's see the question. Zohari jump from a riverbank into the river can be represented by the quadratic function such that t is the time and h is the height. By using completing the square method, express hd in this pattern such that p, q, and r are constants. I do not want you to tell me what is your p, what is your q, what is your r. I just want you to write it out like this only. Okay? So you just do a very simple completing the square. And the second part, hence, sketch the graph. If you see this one, these two things plus up to 4 marks, it means you don't actually need lots of information for the sketching. Okay? So now, it's your turn, my dear. A little bit. HD equals to negative 8t squared plus 32t plus 96. Now, I said already, when we do completing the square, the coefficient of the variable of the highest power must be equals to 1. So, you take out negative 8. This one plus 32, you divided by negative 8, you get minus 4. Plus 96, you divided by negative 8, you get minus 12. Okay? And you start your completing the square, and at the same time, you may sketch the graph. How long do you need? 5 minutes? Okay? Start. Okay. 哎呀，我有 Jocelyn。OK，Jocelyn 对。喂呀，你们那可以什么个 skip 嘛？我已经很孤单了，一个人在阿湾，你们还不要给我任何反应。Negative 8t square minus 4t plus bracket square minus bracket square minus 12. Then over 2 over 2. 这边写什么 ？Negative 4 negative 4 negative 4。这一边我有 negative 8。t minus 2 combine 这个啊 t minus 2 square 对不起，原来还没有1.55的 minta maaf minta maaf it's okay 啦，我讨论了吗？ t minus 2 square this negative you have to copy minus okay 这个是 negative 2 negative 2 square you get 4 minus 12 so negative 8 t minus 2 square minus 16 所以8乘16 128 negative 8 t minus 2 square plus 128 okay so this is A part 1 Nari 你找到你哪里错吗Okay. Now, A part 2. Hence, sketch your graph. Now, when you are sketching the graph, 他有给你那个吗？哦，他没有给你 HB. But we know that from this, I know that my maximum point 你要跳下一个河，你不能跳这样的哈。OK，他 going to jump down from 96，在第96的时候，他跳上去，jump to 128 and then go down, correct? And then go down. So second thing that you have to know，我们画这个嘛，这个是 river 嘛，对不对？So starting from 96，你 jump, you go down. What is this value? Which means we have to find out when ht equals to 0, what is the value of heat? Can you please help me? You just use this because this one will be faster. Original 的 also can 啊。16 equals to 4 square. Okay, so you have t minus 2 equals to 4. T is equals to 6. Okay, Jenny, I know what you want to ask me. 老师什么时候可以写这样，什么时候要拆开？当你知道你两边都可以写成这样的时候，你就可以。你不可以用 simplify 的方式。这一个16你可以换成 4 square。当然，这边是 negative 的话，这边也会是 negative。这也是 positive 的话，它也是会是 positive。好，let's draw. You should from 96 jump to 128. Maximum point 96, 128, and jump down. Okay, when I reach the river bank, 河的时候，这个是 6. This will be 96. This will be a HD, your 0, and your T. And let's point the maximum point to 128. And name it HT equals to negative 8t squared plus 32t plus 96. Bye-bye. Unless the sketching is 4 to 5 marks, then you write everything. The maximum, the roots, the intercept, the equation of axis of symmetry, and so on. If not, just a simple one will do. 好了 next one. Calculate the total vertical distance. Total vertical distance of Johari's jump from the riverbank until he reaches the water surface. 所以从这一边，他跳上去 jump， 这一个是 vertical distance. After that, from 128 to 0, also another vertical distance. Okay, you have to plus 2. Total vertical distance. 它跳上去嘛 128 minus 96 plus 128. I get 160. Yeah. Okay, next one. Determine the effect to the equation of the axis of symmetry. If the coefficient of P, 回到去上面 part A, P will be on -8. Okay, so if the -8 change to -3, will this value affects the equation of axis of symmetry? 我们的 equation of axis of symmetry, we check on this part only, correct? We check on this. So will it affect? The answer is no. Okay, no. So you just write there is no. This is sorry, this is puppy. No changes. No change. 它只是会影响它的那个度罢了 become fatter or become small, narrower. Okay, so this is our question 5.